अस्सलाम वालेकुम एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं जुलाई 2023 के करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ऑन जुलाई 15 इंडिया साइंड एन एग्रीमेंट विद डैश दैट विल अलाउ इट टू सेटल ट्रेड इन इंडियन रुपी इंस्टेड ऑफ डॉलर्स. South Africa, UAE, New Zealand, UK. The right answer is UAE. India launched on Dash a rocket carrying the unmanned Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft to land on the moon. July 12, July 13, July 14, July 15. The right answer is July 14. On July 14, foreign ministers from the Southeast Asian bloc ASEAN gathered in Dash for talks about regional issues. Bangkok, Beijing, Kuala Lumpur, Jakarta. The right answer is Jakarta. On July 12, Dash born Milan Kundera, the author of The Unbearable Lightness of Being, died. Denmark, Sweden, Czech Republic, Slovenia. The right answer is Czech Republic. As per a UN report, the global public debt surged to a record dash in 2022. $86 trillion, $90 trillion, $92 trillion, $102 trillion. The right answer is $92 trillion. On July 11, an important summit of NATO was held in Dash, Belfast, Vilnius, Brussels, Paris. The right answer is Vilnius. On July 11, scientists designated Lake Crawford, a small body of water near Dash, Canada, as ground zero for the Anthropocene. Toronto, Montreal, Winnipeg, Edmonton. The right answer is Toronto. President Biden announced on Dash that the United States has fully destroyed its decade-old stockpiles of chemical weapons. July 6, July 7, July 8, July 9. The right answer is July 7. On July 5, the ministerial meeting of NAM, a coordinating bureau, was held in Dash, Tehran, Tashkent, Amman, Baku. The right answer is Baku. On July 2, China defeated Dash to win the Women's Asia Cup basketball title. Myanmar, Japan, Thailand, Indonesia. The right answer is Japan. On July 2, OIC's extraordinary meeting was held in Dash, Jeddah, Ankara, Kuwait City, Abu Dhabi. The right answer is Jeddah. On July 1, Europe's Dash Space Telescope blasted off on the first ever mission aiming to shed light on dark energy and dark matter. Curiosat 2, Euclid, Gaia, Bepi Colombo. The right answer is Euclid. On July 14, the Dash Assembly passed a bill for e-tagging habitual criminals to monitor their movement. KP, Punjab, HK, Sindh. The right answer is Sindh. On July 14, PM Shehbaz Sharif broke ground on the 1200 megawatt Chashma near a nuclear power plant Unit 5, C5 in Dash, Thatta, Astore, Muzaffarabad, Mianwali. The right answer is Mianwali. On July 13, Pakistan's old embassy building in the heart of Dash was sold for $7.1 million. London, New York, Moscow, Washington, D.C. The right answer is Washington, D.C. On July 13, Dash was elected unopposed as Gilgit-Baltistan's new chief minister. Gulbar Khan, Aftab Khattak, Abdul Hafiz, Khalid Salim. The right answer is Gulbar Khan. On Dash, Pakistan's draft resolution countering religious hatred constituting incitement to discrimination, hostility, or violence was adopted by the Human Rights Council in Geneva. July 10, July 11, July 12, July 13. The right answer is July 12. On July 10, Chief Election Commissioner Sikandar Sultan Raja gave a one-year extension in the contract of its Secretary ECP Dash. Qamar Dilshad, Naseem Shah Afridi, Elahi Baksh Nizamani, Umar Hamid Khan. The right answer is Umar Hamid Khan. The current president of the Pakistan Olympic Association is Dash. Elahuddin Jahangir Khan, Lieutenant General Syed Arif Hassan, Syed Arif Imam. The right answer is Lieutenant General Syed Arif Hassan. On July 8, Daesh became the fifth country that initiated deal for purchasing JF-17 Thunder fighter aircraft from Pakistan and concluded it successfully. Egypt, Iraq, Algeria, Nigeria. The right answer is Iraq. On July 8, Pakistan and Daesh signed an MOU to cooperate in the field of natural disasters. Switzerland, Canada, Russia, UK. The right answer is Switzerland. On July 7, Justice Muhammad Ibrahim Khan took oath as the acting Chief Justice of Dash High Court, Islamabad, Lahore, Sindh, Peshawar. The right answer is Peshawar. On Dash, PM Shehbaz Sharif inaugurated the Land Information and Management System Center of Excellence, LIMS COE, July 7, July 8, July 9, July 10. The right answer is July 7. On July 6, the Permanent Court of Arbitration in Dash rejected India's six objections challenging the court's jurisdiction to hear the case about the controversial designs of 330 megawatt Kishan Ganga and 850 megawatt Rattle hydropower projects, The Hague, New York, Geneva, Berlin. The right answer is The Hague. On July 5, a new PCB interim committee was formed under Dash. Zaka Ashraf, Misbahul Haq, Muhammad Wasim, Waqar Yunus. The right answer is Zaka Ashraf. On July 30, Benazir Bhutto's wax figure was unveiled at the Madame Tussauds in Dash. Dubai, London, Berlin, Paris. The right answer is Dubai. On July 27, Dash rolled over $2.4 billion in debt for the next 2 years. Saudi Arabia, China, UAE, Qatar. The right answer is China. Rana Ansar has the honor of being the first female leader of the opposition in Dash Assembly. Balochistan, HK, Sindh, GB. The right answer is Sindh. The federal cabinet approved the National Adaptation Plan prepared by the Ministry of Climate Change and Environmental Coordination on Dash July 22, July 24, July 26, July 28. The right answer is July 26. On July 25, Punjab IGP Dr. Osman Anwar launched the latest face recognition system of Punjab Police Dash face mask features face trace contours. The right answer is face trace. On July 23, Pakistan's Hamza Khan beat Dash Zakaria to win World Junior Championship. India's Egypt, Malaysia's France. The right answer is Egypt's. On July 23, Pakistan Shaheens routed Dash to clinch the ACC Emerging Asia Cup in Colombo, UAE, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, China, India. The right answer is India. On July 20, Pakistan Navy inducted two newly constructed frigates PNS and PNS Tipu Sultan into the National Fleet. Shah Jahan, Babur, Humayun, Ghaznavi. The right answer is Shah Jahan. The 51-meter Broad Peak is the world's dash tallest mountain. 12th, 14th, 15th, 17th. The right answer is 12th. On July 20, Dash became the first Pakistani woman to summit 51-meter Broad Peak. Naila Kiani, Samina Beg, Sadia Abbasi, Sabiha Khayal. The right answer is Naila Kiani. Nawab of Junagadh, Muhammad Jahangir Khanji passed away on Dash July 18, July 19, July 20, July 2022. 22 just. The right answer is July 20. On Dash, the Higher Education Commission unveiled its highly anticipated Graduate Education Policy 2023, July 19, July 20, July 22, July 24. The right answer is July 19. On July 19, the NTI Nuclear Security Index ranked Pakistan Dash on the list of 22 states, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st. The right answer is 19th. On July 18, PM Shehbaz Sharif launched the Dash PM Special Initiative for Development of Sports. 1 billion, 2 billion, 5 billion, 10 billion. The right answer is 5 billion rupees. On July 17, Sadia Danish was elected as Dash Assembly's first woman deputy speaker. Sindh, Balochistan, HK, Gilgit-Baltistan. The right answer is Gilgit-Baltistan. According to latest WHO UNICEF data, Pakistan ranks Dash among countries having highest number of zero dose children? 8th, ninth, 10th, 15th. The right answer is 8th. On July 17, a division bench of Dash High Court suspended an earlier order of the single bench that barred transfer of the state lands to the Pakistan Army for corporate farming on a 20-year lease. Lahore, Peshawar, Balochistan, Sindh. The right answer is Lahore. On July 16, Huzaifa Shahid won the 17th Borneo Junior Squash Open, which was played in Dash. India, Malaysia, Japan, China. The right answer is Malaysia. Chief of Army Staff General Asim Munir paid an official visit to Iran on Dash. July 16, July 17, July 18, July 19. The right answer is July 16. On July 22, President Biden invited Dash Director William Burns to sit on the cabinet. CIA, NASA, Homeland Security, Department of Commerce. The right answer is CIA. On July 20, former US Secretary of State Dash met Chinese President Xi Jinping in Beijing. Henry Kissinger, Hillary Clinton, Condoleezza Rice, and John Kerry. The right answer is Henry Kissinger. The first UN Security Council meeting on artificial intelligence was held on Dash. July 16, July 17, July 18, July 20. The right answer is July 18. On July 18, Uzbekistan and Daesh signed a joint protocol to connect the Uzbek rail network with Pakistan Railways. India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, China. The right answer is Afghanistan. On July 18, an American nuclear armed submarine made a dashboard call for the first time in 4 decades. South Korean, Japanese, Hungarian, French. The right answer is South Korean. On July 17, Mexico beat a Dash to win a record extending ninth CONCACAF Gold Cup crown. Vietnam, Panama, Cuba, Cambodia. The right answer is Panama. On July 17, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan reached Dash on a three-country Gulf tour: Saudi Arabia, Iran, UAE, Qatar. The right answer is Saudi Arabia. On July 17, G20 finance ministers and central bank chiefs opened talks in Dash, India, Mumbai, New Delhi, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The right answer is Gandhinagar. On July 17, Dash announced an end to the Black Sea Grain Initiative. Turkey, Ukraine, UN, Russia. The right answer is Russia. On July 16, US climate envoy John Kerry reached Dash to restart stalled climate talks. India, Turkey, China, Ghana. The right answer is China. On July 16, Carlos Alcaraz defeated seven-time champion Dash to claim his first Wimbledon. Andy Murray, Novak Djokovic, Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal. So the right answer is Novak Djokovic. On July 16, the Dash government formally signed the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership. UK, Japanese, German, Malaysian. The right answer is UK. On July 31, an extraordinary meeting of the OIC on the issue of desecration of the Holy Quran in Sweden started in Dash, Kuwait City, Manama, Istanbul, Jeddah. The right answer is Jeddah. On July 28, Dash purchased named General Abdurrahman Chiani as the country's new leaders. Mali's, Nigeria's, Rwanda's, Niger's. The right answer is Niger's. Glory to the Hong Kong was a defiant anthem that emerged from the city's huge pro-democracy protest in Dash 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. The right answer is 2019. On Dash, the two-day Russia-Africa summit came to a close. July 28, July 29, July 30, July 31. The right answer is July 28. On July 27, Dash Professor Jim Skia took over as the head of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC. Austrian, British, Danish, Canadian. The right answer is British. On July 27, a Dash woman Kristen Harila and her Nepali guide Tenzin Lama Sherpa set the record for the fastest summit of all 14 of the world's 8,000-meter, 26,000 feet mountains. Fresh French, Ethiopian, Norwegian, Swiss. The right answer is Norwegian. On July 25, Dash replaced Qin Gang as the Chinese foreign minister. Li Qiang, He Lifeng, Shen Yiqin, Wang Yi. The right answer is Wang Yi. On July 25, Dash increased the maximum age limit for compulsory military service to 30. North Korea, Thailand, Ukraine, Russia. The right answer is Russia. On July 24, Sam Altman, the chief executive of Dash, launched the WorldCoin crypto project. Inflection, Meta, OpenAI, Anthropic. The right answer is OpenAI. On July 1, Pakistan's Shaheen Shah Afridi created history by becoming the first bowler to take 4 wickets in the first over of Dash match. T20, Test, ODI, first class. The right answer is T20. On July 1, Pakistan and India, in accordance with the provisions of the Agreement on Consular Access of Dash, exchanged a list of prisoners. 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. The right answer is 2008. On July 4, the Chief Court of Gilgit-Baltistan disqualified Chief Minister Khalid Khurshid for dash, contempt of court, having a fake degree, violation of oath, none of these. The right answer is having a fake degree. On July 2, Naila Kiani and Dash became the first Pakistani woman to scale the majestic Nanga Parbat. Seher Abbasi, Amina Mehram, Samina Beg, Natasha Khan. The right answer is Samina Beg. On July 6, Pakistan and Dash signed an MOU for the development of renewable energy projects in Pakistan. China, UAE, Japan. The right answer is UAE. On July 10, Dash and the European Union signed a groundbreaking free trade agreement. Singapore, New Zealand, Australia, Malaysia. The right answer is New Zealand. On July 15, Dash Markita Vondrosova became the first unseeded woman to win Wimbledon in the Open era. Serbia's, Denmark's, Russia's, Czech Republic's. The right answer is Czech Republic's. On Dash, Twitter launched its new logo, replacing the blue bird with a white X on a black background. July 22, July 24, July 26, July 28. The right answer is July 24. On July 23, Russia and Dash ended their joint naval exercises in the Sea of Japan. North Korea, South Korea, China, Indonesia. The right answer is China. On July 23, the OIC suspended the status of special envoy of the Kingdom of Dash to the OIC. Chad, Sweden, Mali, Norway. The right answer is Sweden. On July 31, today, technical talks between US official and Afghanistan's Taliban started in Dash, Pakistan, India, Qatar, Saudi Arabia. The right answer is Qatar. That's it for today. Thank you.